Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? Sana ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Alamin natin yung mensahe ng universe para sa iyo. Spirit guardian angels, ano ang dapat marinig ng aking mga minamahal na kapatid na star viewers dito? Special message. Okay. Kunin natin to. Ano ba to? Someone wants to make love with you. Ano pa? May nakakaalala sa inyo. Siguro may long distance dito. Yung partner ninyo, pag napapalayo sa inyo, naalala yung oras na kayo ay magkasama. Spirit angels, ano pa? Any message? Wow, talaga ha. Someone misses you dearly. I'm also getting like, someone, nahihirapan siya makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Ano pa? Dream high. Okay. Wow. Alamin natin kung sino tong taong hirap makatulog. O laging iniisip ka. Puro to someone. Someone wants to help you. Okay? So, itong taong ito napapaisip sa'yo kung paano katulungan. This person really care for you, kapatid. Meron tayong no. Ano pa? Avoid the addiction. So, iwasang maging obsessed. Oh my God, another one. Someone is going to ask you help. Okay, so, again, this is a general reading. Just take what's yours. Kung anong nakaka-relate sa iyo, kunin nyo lang. Kung hindi naman, then wag tayong bitter. Para sa iba yun. Okay? So, meron ditong someone wants to help you. Itong taong ito ay napapaisip kung paano katulungan. And meron ding tao na someone is going to reach out, kausapin ka, hihingi ng tulong sa iyo. Alright, let's get two more. And whatever it is na iniisip mo, meron itong no. Maybe the universe trying to tell you na hindi muna sa ngayon. Or kung ano bang iniisip mo, hindi. Meaning no. One more message, please. Okay? Money is on your way. So guys, it takes time, okay? Wag mo nang atat. And again, the universe is reminding you, may pinapaalala si universe ay dito. Money is on your way. May darating na blessings when it comes to money. Kung ikaw ay hinihintay mo tong pera, it's coming. It takes time. Hintayin mo lang. I'm getting like atat na atat kung kailan darating tong perang ito. Saglit lang. So, ikaw talaga ay kung atat na atat kung kailan darating tong perang ito, itong tulong, alamin natin. Kuha tayo ng mga numero. Yeah, Spirit guiding just kailan darating itong pera para sa aking minamahal na star viewers, yung hinihintay nilang pera. Kailan darating ito? Kuha tayo ng mga tatlo. Dalawa lang nakuha natin. May 8. We have here number 8 and 7. It could be 7 days or sa pizza otso. Okay. Or 7. 7 days or on the 7th day. Okay. On the 7th day of the month. Or 7 weeks, or on the 8th of the month. Yeah. Or 8 days, 8 weeks. Yeah. Hindi naman naabutin ng taon pa, siguro 8 months. It might take time, 8 months, para masyadong matagal pa eh. But again, money is on your way. It takes time pa ha. Hindi naman siya So, siguro on the 7th day or on the 8th or 8 days from now. Oh well. So, lagi lang manalangin. Ikaw lang nakakaalam kung kailan to darating. Meron ditong, you know when it's coming. Siguro 7 days, 7 weeks from now. Whenever you watch this reading, this is timeless. Okay, community. So, meron tayong ditong community, meaning there could be a gathering on the 39th, siguro 39 days from now, or something about 39. This could be your age or something about 39 related. Or I'm also getting like here, you could be born during 1987 or 1978. So community. I'm also getting like maybe you'll be joining siguro reunion, party, gathering. Yeah, there's like you will be meeting your siguro like a lulu and lula or someone far from afar na kailangan mong bibisitahin. Meron kasi dito mga lulu't lula eh. Siguro you will be going to a place where all old people or older people. Ano pa, Spirit Guide Angels? You'll be visiting your grandma and grandpa, or there could be a reunion, gathering. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Maybe this could be related sa 8 days from now, 7 days from now, or 7 weeks from now. There's a reunion gathering, or siguro the 7th. 7th is July and August. This could be related to July and August na mangyayari. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, what else? Anong mangyayari? Anong darating sa ating mga minamahal na star viewers? Ano pa? What else more sa ating mga minamahal na star viewers? Celebration. I'm also hearing celebration on this 8 days, 8 months, or not longer than that. Siguro sa June, July, August. I'm getting like June, July, August. There will be like a party. You'll be attending a party, reunion, visiting your grandma or in-laws. I'm hearing in-laws. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Visiting your children. I'm also getting like you'll be seeing your children. You know what? There is a really mysterious person. You will be meeting someone na I'm hearing like someone new on the party or at the party. Yeah. You will be meeting a new person. Kasi parang I'm getting like a misteryosong misteryosong tao. This could be a girl or a boy, something like that. Ikaw lang nakakaalam. Again, wala tayong gender dito ha. Mix tayo dito. Ano pa? What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Alright. Oh my God. Great fortune on the 26th. Yeah, you will be receiving. I'm also getting like an opportunity, blessings. You will be blessed, kapatid. On the 8th, on the 7th, June, July, August, this money on the way is coming. And you will be with someone. This could be a blessings from the universe na you will be meeting with your family members and in-laws or reunion, party, celebration. You'll be together with your parents finally. Meron dito kasing distance eh. Finally, makakauwi ka na. And there will be celebrations na mangyari. Alright. You guys, mag-ingat-ingat kayo ha. Meron tayong number 31, bad health. Mag-ingat-ingat. And if you guys not feeling well, kung hindi man kayo nakakaramdam ng, or hindi man magandang pakiramdam ninyo lately, please do try to go on magpapa-check up na po kayo. Huwag niyo pong hayaan na lalala ang pakiramdam ninyo. So please do have yourself check. Magpa-check up kayo kasi meron tayong ditong and subukan niyo rin po magbukas ng pinto. You guys need like a nature to breathe something from nature. So, kailangan buksan nyo yung pinto or bintana. Magbukas naman ng bintana. Kasi pangit naman, di ba, kung yung bahay mo, parang, ang tawag dun secluded ba yun? Yeah. Yung, hindi ka na masyado nakakahinga. So, you might be getting like, yung parang, mahirapan kang makahinga. Something like that. So you guys should be taking care of yourself at uminom kayo ng mga gamot. Kung meron kayong mga tinitake na gamot, paalala ko lang sa inyo at from the universe, please take your medicines and wag nyo namang tipitin ng sarili ninyo kung hindi kayo nakakabili ng gamot, ano? Kasi ayaw natin na lalala ang sitwasyon. So again, it might happen, uminom ng maraming tubig at magpa-doktor kayo at huwag niyong hayaan na lalala ang inyong pakiramdam. Kung nakakaramdam kayo na hindi maganda or hindi na kayo nakakahinga ng maayos, please have yourself check, okay, sa doktor. Papadoktor po kayo. Pa-check up kayo, mga kapatid. Huwag niyong hayaan na lalala ang inyong pakiramdam. And try to go on a nature, spend time with your loved ones. Lalong-lalo na rin ngayon na pagka mag-travel tayo, paalala ko rin magdala kayo ng tubig. Kasi pangit naman na, paalala ko rin ha, magdala kayo ng tubig, pag mag-travel kayo, lalo-lalo na sa weather, masyadong mainit, at saka uso na rin yung dehydration ngayon. So, at pag sa travel ninyo, magdala din kayo ng mga gamot-gamot in case na sumakit ang ulo ninyo, sumakit ang also hearing like ngipin, magdala kayo ng mga gamot. Yeah. So let's get the energy more. Spirit, can you just tell me more about what they have to hear? Anong dapat nilang marinig ngayon? Mga minamahal nating viewers. Anong dapat nilang marinig? Five of Pentacles again. Someone is asking you help. Meron itong lalapit. Expect nyo na itong tao na lalapit sa inyo, mga kapatid. Hihingi ng tulong, hihingi ng pera. Tell me more about this Five of Pentacles. What is this person about? May hingi ng tulong dito sa inyo. Five of Pentacles for this person. Who is this? Okay, this could be your sister. Something about finances sa school, probably. Sa school. Or this could be you that you wanted money. Meron ditong hingi ng pera para sa damit. Bibili ng damit, pampaganda. Well, it's up to you kung worth it bang suportahan itong ganitong paghihingi, ano. And, meron tayong death. Siguro may babalik. Okay. Someone might be, baka meron ditong hihingi ng tulong sa iyo para magpapataro reading. Kung ikaw itong nanonood na do some tarot reading. Yeah, kung ikaw din itong may spiritual ability, itong taong ito hihingi ng tulong sa iyo or meron ditong tao na magpapa-healing. Siguro ikaw itong healer. Yeah. And meron itong hihingi ng tulong para magpa-ritual sa iyo. So, and there will be like more. Meron itong kikita ka pa. Kikita ka pa kasi maraming taong hihingi ng tulong sa iyo or mag-reach out sa iyo. Yeah. And when it comes to your ability, kapatid, kung ikaw tong healer, mga gamot, whatever you do, spirituality, it's gonna be more stronger. You are getting stronger, kapatid. Especially sa full moon. You might be doing like, siguro ikaw tong nag-ritual during full moon. Yeah, you are getting this senses or mas nagiging malakas itong energy mo. Yeah. And I'm also getting like someone, siguro hindi mo na kinakausap, bigla itong magpaparamdam sa'yo, bigla itong kakausapin ka at hihingi ng tulong. Yeah. Yeah. Mayroon dito sigurong financially na para bang out of the blue. Meron itong magmamakaawa, mahiling like magmamakaawa, magbabalik, hihingi ng sorry. Merong hihingi ng tulong, meron ding hihingi ng sorry sa'yo. So again, this is general reading ha. Hindi to private reading, mga kapatid. Collective reading po ito. Kunin nyo lang kung ano nakaka-resonate sa inyo. Kung hindi naman, hindi ito para sa inyo. At huwag kayong magalit. At huwag nyo lahatin ang sinasabi ko dito. Okay? Ano pa? Yeah. I'm getting like, you will be like, siguro kailangan mo ng tulong. You might be thinking, asking help. Isa sa mga could be siblings. Yeah. Para sa pamilya mo. Or this could be your sibling na hingi ng tulong sa'yo para sa pamilya niya. Kasi minsan reverse, nagkaka-reverse yung energy eh. This could be your energy or this could be someone's energy. Okay. So this is more about you guys, mga kapatid. Para naman alam natin kung ano mangyari very soon. In 8 days, 7 days. What else, Spirit Angels? Ano pang dapat nilang malaman? Ano pang dapat nilang marinig galing sa inyo? Okay. Adventure awaits. See, meron din ditong magta-travel again, guys. Kung kayo ay magta-travel, magdala kayo ng tubig, gamot, at konting snacks para naman hindi kayo buti ng gutom or ma-dehydrate. Break up your routine and live a little sweetheart. It's time for some adventure. Plan a vacation. Take a spontaneous drive. A change of pace and scenery will do you good. Plus, you never know whom you'll meet or what you'll experience along the way. A fabulous new friend or partner, a spectacular meal, a charming local joint. The vista of a lifetime and adventure awaits. So yeah, sa pagka-adventure ninyo, you'll be meeting new people. Again, mixed energy tayo dito. Meron din dito mag-adventure ka na you might be meeting family members. And sa pag-adventure mo, may makakilala ka rin ditong siguro a new partner. I'm getting like a new partner. Siguro magaling ka sa meron dito sa inyo na magaling kumanta. You might be an entertainer. Yeah, I'm getting your energy na magaling kang kumanta or maganda ang boses mo. Yeah. You have so much this is the life. This is a time for you guys to break the pattern. Siguro puro lang kayo nakahiga, nood ng TV. Ang advice kasi dito ni Universe sa inyo, break that pattern. Cut it out. Subukan yung lumabas. Makipaghalubilo sa kapwa. Make new friends. Go to a party. Yeah. Parang pinupush na kayo ni Universe na lumabas-labas ka naman ng bahay. Or lumabas-labas ka naman kung saan environment ka. Kapatid. Kasi meron ditong panay-higa-higa, tuloy parang sumasakit na yung katawan sa kakahiga, di ba? Kulang na ng exercise. So, labas-labas naman. Yeah. Or labas-labas mo yung mga anak mo, family gathering, or punta kayo ng garden, or sa playground, sama mo mga anak mo para naman to make more, anong tawag noon? Memories. Kasi meron na ditong puro trabaho na lang, kulang ng oras sa pamilya. And as a reminder, paalala ni Universe sa'yo, make time with your family members and for yourself as well. Pagandahan mo sarili mo, pagwapuhin mo sarili mo, bihisan mo ng maayos ang mga anak mo, enjoyin mo yung buhay mo with your children, with yourself, with your parents, with your grandparents. Meron itong specific grandparents. Maybe this is the right time for you na bisitahin mo rin naman ang lolo't lola mo. Yeah. Bisitahin mo mga anak mo, kausapin mo sila. Enjoy life, mga kapatid. Enjoy travel. Kasi meron dito pagka-travel, you guys will be traveling month of July, June, or August. Okay. And try nyo rin kumain ng ibang putahe. Yeah. Meron ditong kasing break that pattern, parang yung pagkain kinakain mo, pare-parehas na lang. Subukan yung kumain ng ibang pagkain na hindi mo pa na-try. Baka one day you will be liking it. Baka magiging isa to sa magugustuhan mo, magiging paborito mo. And also, if you likes cooking, try to cook something different. Yeah. And dance music. Parang yung music. Music kasi sa atin, naiba yung mood natin, di ba? So, the universe is reminding us, pinapaalala ni universe din dito sa atin, listen to a music. You might guys getting a message from the universe. Para bang minsan na yung bad mood ka, tapos biglang may narinig kang tugtog, parang chini-cheer up ka ni universe, kapatid. Na pasayawin ka niya, na parang naintindihan mo yung music or yung lyrics na gets mo, tapos nagugustuhan mo, minsan parang naiiyak ka na lang kasi relate ka sa kantang iyon. It's because the universe is sending you a message and that through that music. And yung iba naman dito is through dance music. Parang napapaindak ka sa tugtog na yun. It's because the universe wants you to hear this music, or they're sending you a message through that dance music, and they want to see you enjoy life. Sumayaw ka naman, huwag masyadong seryoso kasi most of you here parang masyado kayong seryoso sa buhay. So, kick up your cute heels and move your glorious body. Feel the music and let loose. Sweat your prayers and twirl to your intentions. Every cell in your body will rejoice. Exercise is as important to your well-being as healthy eating and processing your stress and emotions. You can shake a tail feather alone, with friends, or with passionate partner. Dance your gorgeous heart out. So, sayaw-sayaw lang para mawala yung problema, and then the energy will change. Yeah. So final message na tayo from the universe, kasi I'm getting dito na you guys have a message from your spirit animals. Alright, spirit guide angels, spirit animals, what is your final message sa aking mga minamahal na kapatid, the star viewers? Final message, please. Let's get this one. Snow leopard, self-reliance. You are strongly independent and often solitary. Yeah. So lagi talaga kayo nag-iisa, no? Talagang focus kayo sa sarili ninyo. Napaka-independent niyo, mga kapatid. So again, as a reminder, pinapalala ng universe sa inyo, try to enjoy life. Yeah. Sumayaw, makikidisco, makikihang out with friends, go in a party, go on a adventure. You are strongly independent and often solitary. Integrity is important for your best outcome. Cloak yourself with invisibility and walk with the shamans. Use your intuition and let your life unfold in silent perfection. So yes, follow your intuition, guys. Malakas ang intuition ninyo. Again, lahat ng mga kapatid ko ditong star viewers, you guys are very intuitive. Yeah, pakiramdam niyo yung mga kutob niyo sa buhay. Kutob na nararamdaman ninyo. And you guys are very wise. Yeah, choose what's best for you. And ingat-ingat po kayo palagi. Hanggang dito na lang, mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. I love you all and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Bye!